You don't understand how cursed I am. Every single time that I use an action cam for freestyle, it dies. I can do gentle dives, I can fly around and it'll be okay, but the moment I start doing freestyle and I have an action cam on my drone, it just dies. Do you have anything like that? Is there anything that, like, whenever you use, it's just bloody gets destroyed? This is why I don't have a GoPro. This is why I don't have an 03, because I don't want to spend $300 every time I freestyle. Well, that really sucks. And finally I was starting to feel confident about my action cam, and I was designing a new mount, but the camera came off. I think at least I can stick another one on top of there. Never done that before, but yeah, I guess I'll try that. Back to good old analog.
it's not with you. Why does it hit me the hardest when I'm off my game? When I'm feeling strange already? Why do I miss you the most when I'm feeling afraid? Do you feel the same? I'm trying my hardest to find silver in clouds while pinning them down. I'm finding it's useless, 'cause you come to mind